Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit, and in today's video, we're going to be diving into the square component. This is a straightforward yet powerful tool for creating perfectly proportioned designs. The square component automatically maintains a 1:1 aspect ratio, making it ideal for icons, buttons, or logos, or any design element that needs to stay consistently a square. Plus, it centers your content for you, so there's no extra hassle. Let's explore how to use it. To add the square component, head over to the component picker on the left side, click add, then we're going to search for square. And once you've added it, let's click on the square component, go ahead to the styles, and we can play around with the styles. So we can play around with the width, we can play around with the height, just to configure how this square component looks. Inside the square component, it behaves like a view where we can nest any component that we like an image or a text. In this instance, I'm just going to add a text and have that text say hello. And notice whatever component we put inside the square component gets centered. Let's have another component, like a button. Notice how our button also gets centered. So anything you put in the square component is going to get centered by default. We can play around with the background color. And we can play around with the padding, margin, and any other styling that you want to change. Then next up, let's look at the configurations tab, where in this instance, we just have the component name. By default, it's called square, but we can change it to fit our app design. So in a situation where you have many square components, you might want to give them a custom name so that we can identify them in the component tree. And we can see how it looks like on web, as well as you can look at how it looks like on an iOS preview and an Android preview. And there you have it. That's how you use the square component in Draftbit. It's a simple yet versatile tool for creating consistently proportioned designs that look great and work seamlessly in any layout. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.